Please take your time, Bu Sri Lydia.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I'm a little.
Bu Dewana nih, Bu Indri, Bu Dewana.
Yes,
Suaranya beda.
nervous. I don't know how to
Iya.
say, ma'am. It's very shy. I'm so shy. Yeah. Okay. Okay, my friends. Act like a student, right?
Oke, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon aja ya. Yeah. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon,
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
How
ma'am.
are you?
I'm fine, thank
Fine.
Fine.
How about
How
you?
about you?
I'm
Fine,
fine
thank
too.
you.
Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we are study. Yeah, we are study. Are you ready to study?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Are you happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You must full of spirit. Yeah, you have to full of spirit, because if you are happy, if you are full of spirit, you will get easily to understand about the material today. Ya,
Focus,
oke.
ma'am.
Fokus. Sebenarnya mau pakai main-main cuman waktunya ya, tapi sudahlah. Oke, next, before we start the lesson, I would like you to check your attendance list here. Who is absent today? No?
No,
Oh,
Nothing,
All
ma'am.
present,
no, I'm
ma'am.
present, ma'am.
yeah, you are very
Only-
diligent students. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay. Before we start, also, I want one of you to be a volunteer to lead the pray in your class. Yeah, maybe who wants to be the volunteer here? Maybe from the
Me, ma'am.
yeah, okay, Bu. Sorry. Okay, ma'am. Okay, Sri Rati Wulandari. Sorry, ma'am Ratna ya, Ibu Ratna ya. Okay. Agak kaku yang panggil Ratna. Yeah, please lead the class to pray.
Okay, my friend, before we begin our lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. So, first of all, I want you to hear this audio. Yeah.
Good afternoon, passengers. This is a pre-boarding announcement for Flight 89B to Rome. We are now inviting those passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding at this time. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Regular boarding will begin in approximately 10 minutes time. Thank you.
Yeah. Very simple, yeah? Okay, now, could you clear to hear that? This audio?
Yes, ma'am.
Fast, ma'am.
Yeah?
Too fast.
Yeah.
Yes, I can hear.
Yeah. Good. What kind of audio is that?
It is information, ma'am.
Check
Yeah.
in information.
One by one.
Announcement.
Announcement, yeah.
Yeah,
Any
ma'am.
else? Yeah, announcement. How do you know it's announcement?
Spoken
How
announcement,
do you know
ma'am.
it's kind of spoken announcement? Good. So how do you know
I
it's
think
kind of
it's in
announcement?
airport. Pernah dengar, ma'am.
As we know,
In the airport.
not
In the
one
airport,
In the
right?
airport, ma'am, or station.
Someone, if
Oh, yeah, it's in the station.
information.
Is it in the station? No, yeah? Yes or no? In the station
No.
or where?
No,
In the
in the
airport.
In the
airport.
airport.
In the airport, maybe,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind
Di
of
port,
so,
di pelabuhan juga ada.
iya, bagus sekali ya.
Oh, harbor, ma'am.
You know the
Harbor.
sound, yeah. At the harbor, maybe you can find the announcement, yeah, spoken announcement in the harbor
Yes, ma'am.
and the railway station, and also at the airport, because you have been there, yeah. That's absolutely right. Good job for you all. Yeah. Next, what else? Ya, sekarang sudah tahu tentang tadi suaranya. Nah, terus sekarang kita mau belajar tentang apa kalau sudah dari situ? Apa tadi?
I think
Announcement.
about announcement.
Sama Suci ya tadi itu tentang announcement. So, announcement itu ada berapa macam ya kira-kira?
2, ma'am.
Written and spoken, ma'am.
Tuh, ma'am.
Good, iya, written and spoken, ya. Terus kalau kita mau announcement itu kita sebut apa aja gitu? Untuk apa aja untuk announcement itu? Apa sih gunanya announcement? What is the function of the announcement?
Oh.
Informasi,
To
ma'am.
inform
Give information, ma'am.
Yeah.
Public.
Yes, many types of announcement I think. So can you mention?
Repeat, ma'am.
Many types, yeah, many types of announcement. Can you mention announcement of what? Not only in the airport, but you can find also what many kinds of
Announcement.
Yes,
School, ma'am.
absolutely right.
At school,
Announcement
ma'am.
at school.
Public announcement.
Announcement at where? Yeah.
Supermarket, ma'am.
Yeah, supermarket.
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 Mall, ma'am.
Announcement.
Hospital,
Mall,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Absolutely. I ask you.
Di mall.
Yeah, you can find written or spoken
Somebody
announcement in other place, in a common place, yeah? Yeah, okay, absolutely right.
Ma'am,
Yes,
mau tanya,
yeah.
kalau yang di Masjid Jagaba bilang-bilang itu kedukaan juga announcement?
That's right, Santi. I like your questions. It's a kind of announcement, written announcement. Maybe you want there is an announcement to tell about someone who died, yeah, or pass away. Yeah, it's a kind of announcement. Maybe you want to written it down and then you attach it the wall. Yeah, it's a kind of announcement also. Yeah, very good questions. What else? Do you have any question? No, yeah. Before. Oke, sekarang Mem mau kasih tunjuk PPT-nya dulu ya. Let me share. Izin share dulu ya. Iya. Ya, tadi kita sudah belajar tentang announcement. So, tujuan kita yaitu setelah mempelajari ini, murid-muridnya Mem harapkan bisa untuk ketiga-tiga ini ya. The first, you can identify the function, the social function, and the generic structure, yeah, and also the language structure about the announcement itself. So the next, to determine the information, the detailed information that you can find in announcement text. And also the last is, I want you can make a kind of announcement, maybe or written or oral or written announcement, and then after that you can present it to your friends, in front of the class maybe, okay. Is it clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Our learning objective today, So, nah, jadi seperti yang tadi Mem tanyakan, apa itu announcement? Announcement is a kind, written or spoken statement that state in the public, in formal or containing formal words, information, and even has happened or is going to happen. So publicly, people know what, where, and when is it about. Okay. Next,
Mem tidak dapat lihat.
Tidak dapat lihat, Mem. Dapat lihat ya?
Kelihatan.
Maybe something wrong with the sign. Oh my God.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
happened again with this?
It's just the
Yeah.
PowerPoint.
Oh my God. Tetap tidak bisa ya? Ada apa dengan jaringan hari ini ya?
Saya PowerPoint.
Masih loading, ma'am.
Iya kayaknya ya.
Diulang aja dulu.
Ya, saya stop sharing dulu ya. Pergi sana dulu, nak. Ya, tunggu dulu ya. Aduh, bagaimana sih ini? Wait ya. A little bit trouble with the signal. How about this one?
Yes.
Possess.
Can you see?
Ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
very good. Next ya. Sudah tadi mengerti tentang fungsinya. Nah, sekarang kita belajar bagian-bagiannya ya. What is all the structure ya? The first ya, announcement contains about the generic structure ya. The generic structure apa itu? Coba bisa dibacakan?
Saya,
Ya.
ma'am. Generic structures. First is the opening or
Yes.
title. The second one is content.
Yes.
And the last one is closing.
Yes, very good.
And the social
Yeah.
function of the announcement is to inform or to giving people some information of what will happen in the future.
Yes.
And the language features of the announcement, the first is using simple
Yes,
present
that's
tense.
absolutely.
The second one is using simple future
Yes.
tense. And the third, using that, time, plan, place, and location. And the last is about the event.
Yes. Oke. Thank you Rati. Ibu Ratna ya. Oke. Bagus sekali ya.
Pintar banget ngomongnya. Aku mau kayak Ratna ngomongnya.
Iya. Bagus. Nanti pokoknya kalau rajin belajar ya pasti bisa itu ya. Pokoknya ngomong aja pakai bahasa Inggris, nggak perlu malu.
Ajarin aku ya, Rat.
Ya sayang, nanti saya ajarin.
Oke. Iya. Jadi this is the example of announcement ya. This is spoken or written?
This is
Spoken or written? Of course.
written, ma'am, ya. Written.
Written,
Written.
Nah, jadi
Yes,
written and
ma'am.
spoken is also
Oh.
the same ya. Cuma
Oh, ya,
bedanya
ma'am. Oke,
ya.
ma'am.
Iya, bedanya dia satu yang tertulis dan satu yang terucapkan gitu ya.
Yes, ma'am.
Jadi intinya sama, dia punya bagian opening, content, dan closingnya untuk generic structure-nya ya. Jadi seperti itu. Nah, kalian bisa lihat di sini. Tadi ini opening berisi tentang apa? Pembukanya ya. Jadi itu masuk title di dalam opening itu. Ya, you can see title, but title is an optional ya. You can find also, and maybe some announcement doesn't have a doesn't have a title, but directly about the introduction ya. It's like that. And then the content is tell about the time, place, yeah. The content about the time, place, and also about the content of the when will be held, yeah, like that. Is it clear for you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How about the closing? Closingnya tentang apa ini? Of course, penutupnya berarti berisi tentang kata-kata yang untuk mengakhiri ya sebuah informasi itu. For further information biasanya berisi tentang kontak nomor yang akan dihubungi di situ ya. Oke. Next ya. Nah, untuk announcement itu sendiri, there are many words ya, banyak kata yang bisa kalian temui di dalam announcement itu sendiri. Oke, salah satunya di sini ya. Mungkin bisa kalian lihat nanti suatu-waktu ketemu dengan text announcement, you can see the words. Could you pronounce this? Let's pronounce together.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Repeat after me, right? Attention.
Okay.
Attention.
Commemoration.
Commemoration.
Further information. Requirement. Enroll. Cancel.
Cancel.
And approval. In accordance.
Order.
Unforeseen.
Unforeseen.
A first come basis.
First come basis.
Tremendous.
Tremendous.
A registration fee.
Registration fee.
Reserved.
Reserve.
Proceed.
Proceed.
Okay, good. Yeah, I think some of you have a good pronunciation. Yeah. So, is there any difficult words that you can pronounce here? Is there any difficult word that's very difficult to you to pronounce?
Yes.
Yeah.
Commemoration, ma'am.
Yeah. Commemoration.
Commemoration. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What's it,
Okay.
ma'am?
What else? Yeah. What else?
Commemoration.
What else?
I think that's all,
ya.
ma'am.
Okay, good. Ya, jadi itu commemoration apa artinya kira-kira? Pernah dengar kata ini? Belum pernah ya?
Apa Bu itu artinya Bu?
I don't know,
Ya,
ma'am.
commemoration ini dasar katanya adalah memori. Ya, berarti mengingat, untuk diingat gitu ya. Commemoration like that, ya. Maybe you can find in the dictionary all this word, ya. Yeah, maybe you will find the word like this maybe in another announcement, ya. Jadi memang ini contohnya ini supaya kalian tahu mana itu generic, mana itu general language features, mana itu closingnya. Jadi itu intinya. Jadi mungkin untuk kata-katanya ini kalian bisa belajar lagi nanti, ya. Oke, ya ini cuma sekedar gambaran saja buat kalian. Iya. Is there any questions so far?
Not yet, ma'am.
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
We understand.
Very good. Yeah, you are a clever students in here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, now I want you to hear the audio, the video, to watch the video, and then what I want you from this video, I want you to determine where is the generic structure, where is the social, what is the social function, and what is the language features itself, ya. Ya, jadi untuk grupnya sudah memsiapkan semua yang sebelumnya ya. Jadi 1-2 grup saja gitu. Wait, I will play it. Oh my God. Agak lambat laptopnya ini ya. Maafkan, mem. Kenapa lagi ini laptop ini? Wait ya, maaf. Ada kesalahan teknis lagi ini.
No problem, Mam. Semangat, Mam.
Ada masalah ya, ma'am?
Iya, bentar ya.
Iya, Bu.
Oh, sudah terputar ya?
Good morning, school. Please
Iya.
Belum, ma'am. Oh ya,
Iya,
sudah,
sudah,
ma'am.
Bu.
Ya.
about
Pay attention ya.
Oke.
Good morning, school. Please listen carefully to these announcements about school uniforms. It is important to respect the school uniform. Please remember, girls shouldn't wear trousers. All girls must wear a purple skirt,
Make it full screen, ma'am.
socks. You should
Iya, ma'am. Dibesarkan ya,
gray
ma'am.
socks. Boys can wear a pullover under their purple blazer. The pullover must be blue. It can't be gray or purple. That's the end of this morning's announcement.
I play once more ya. I play once more.
Good morning, school. Please listen carefully to these announcements about school uniforms. It is important to respect the school uniform. Please remember, girls shouldn't wear trousers. All girls must wear a purple skirt, and you must wear white socks. You shouldn't wear black or gray socks. Boys can wear a pullover under their purple blazer. The pullover must be blue. It can't be gray or purple. That's the end of this morning's announcement.
Wait. Ini harus dikecilkan dulu baru bisa di stop. Ya. Oke. Can you get the point of this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
good.
little ma'am.
So, what is this announcement about?
About the wearing of the uniform.
Good,
The
Rati.
student must be wear.
Yeah, good, Ratna. Yeah. How about Suci? What is the announcement about?
Yes, ma'am. About using uniform, ma'am.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, this is announcement about the school
Wearing of
uniform. Yeah,
Uniform.
uniform. Yeah. And then who can determine the social function? Yeah, of course, you know. Yeah, after watching this. How about Sri Wahyuni?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you mention the social function of this? Yeah. Tadi kan sudah tahu ini tentang apa? Ini tentang sekolah apa? Pengumuman tentang seragam sekolah. Otomatis itu adalah social
Ya,
functionnya gitu ya.
Ya.
Jadi gitu.
To include, ma'am.
Yes.
Iya, jadi itu
Memberikan
adalah
informasi terhadap siswa.
yeah, to announce to the students that school uniform should be like this, ya. Oke.
Yes.
Good. Can you understand ya? Jadi sudah mengerti tentang social function itu sendiri ya. Jadi sudah tahu social function itu fungsinya apa. Kalau namanya kan kalau di pengertiannya itu dia umum ya, menjelaskan oh social function ini. Tapi kalau seperti begini announcement-nya berarti social function-nya adalah untuk menceritakan tentang seragam sekolah itu sendiri gitu. Ya. How about the generic structure? Yeah. Can you mention? Is there any date and time here? No, yeah. Can you find date and time?
Not. No.
No,
It is
ma'am.
No,
pure
ma'am.
about pure about school
Information.
uniform. So, yeah, the information about school uniform, but there is a specific information you can find also here. Yeah. How about the generic structure itself? Yeah. Coba di mana pembukanya, di mana penutupnya, dan di mana apa isinya dan
Me,
penutupnya.
ma'am.
Yeah. Who Rotua?
Okay,
Yeah, please.
I think it consists of opening, content, and closing, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, good. So can you mention the sentence about opening? About
Okay,
the,
ma'am.
yeah.
Good
Who's
morning.
opening? Opening, yeah, please.
Good morning, school. Please listen carefully to the announcement about the school uniform.
Okay, that's right. Give applause to Rotua. Yes,
Thank you,
we
ma'am.
can find the good generic structure. How about the content? Yeah, another students wants to give their opinion. Okay, siapa yang bisa angkat tangan? Yang untuk kontennya gitu. About the content. Who can? Kalau tidak ada saya tunjuk ya. Kalau tidak ada saya tunjuk ya. Mau ditunjuk atau angkat tangan? You want
Suci tuh, Bu.
ditunjuk aja ya?
Suci angkat tangan tuh.
Oh iya, oke, good.
Saya takut salah lah.
Nggak apa-apa, ayo.
Rati, Sri Rati,
Bulan
ma'am,
tuh,
tangan, ma'am.
bulan.
Me, ma'am.
Oke, Ibu.
I will
Saya memang tidak bisa
try.
lihat wajahnya kalian ini karena presentasi.
The content. I will try to answer, ma'am.
Yes,
The
of course.
content
Oh,
of
the
the
content
announcement
is-
about the information to what is it?
Where
School,
is? Where?
school uniform should be
Yes.
wear for the event.
Yes, good. So, is there any color, specific color? Yeah. Can you hear the specific color of the uniform?
I think white and blue, ma'am.
Yeah.
Should be blue,
And
ma'am.
Huh?
Must be blue.
Must be blue, ya. Oke, siapa yang harus pakai must be blue ini? Laki-laki atau perempuan?
Kayaknya
Laki-laki, ma'am.
Iya,
Mel,
bagus
ma'am.
sekali.
Iya.
Ya, laki-laki ya yang pakainya ya. Oke, good. And then how about the socks? The socks. Bagaimana dengan apa namanya?
Black,
Kaos kakinya gitu. Socks.
black or gray sock, ma'am.
Black and gray socks.
Or gray socks.
Not white? How about white?
Ya,
Maybe white.
Oh,
Bagaimana
iya, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. It shouldn't.
Kan
Shouldn't.
sekolah.
Sudah ya? Ya, it's
Ya,
okay,
sorry,
ya.
ma'am.
Kita beda ya dengan orang luar negeri. Luar negeri itu bajunya sembarang dengan lain dengan kita gitu ya.
It should
Okay.
use white sock, ma'am.
Yeah, it should white socks gitu ya. And then how about the skirt?
skirt green ya, ma'am.
Purple skirt.
Good applause to Suci. Very detailed information ya. Purple skirt. The girl must wear purple skirt ya. Jadi seperti itu. Oke.
She is smart.
Ya, siapa lagi who wants to mention announcement, the closing of this? How about Pak Zul? About Zul?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you mention the closing of this?
I think the student should be obligated that the rule of the uniform, ma'am.
Me, ma'am. Me,
Yeah.
ma'am. Me.
Is there any?
Me.
Yeah. Okay. Who raised their hand?
Me,
Okay, Suci.
me.
Good. Very active.
That's the end of this morning announcement.
Yes, absolutely. That's the end of this morning school announcement. Yeah, okay, very good. You like it? You like it? Yeah, maybe.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I will give you another video, yeah? Okay. Is there any questions so far?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
Nah, sekarang kalian sudah bisa menentukan tentang detail information about title, content, and also the closingnya. Jadi itu adalah generic structure. Apa itu generic structure? Generic structure adalah susunannya ya. Jadi susunannya itu seperti apa gitu dalam
Struktur bahasanya,
struktur
ma'am.
bahasanya bagus sekali. Iya. Next, how about the language features? Nah, this is the more important things. Ya, the most important thing that you have to know about announcement. Jadi cirinya announcement, it's about the language feature itself. So, apa yang bisa kalian jelaskan tentang language features-nya?
Me, ma'am.
Seperti yang contohnya. Ya,
I think the sentence using simple present.
excellent. Ya, as I explained to you before, this announcement, the kind of sentence use simple present. How about Rati? Selain itu apa lagi?
Apa, ma'am?
Jenis kalimatnya yaitu simple,
Simple, present, future.
future. Kan baru mau terjadi.
Oh iya, ma'am.
Ya kan?
Lupa.
Gitu ya. Jadi bedanya simple present dan simple future, what is the difference?
Bedanya, ma'am,
Future
kalau yang
baru
satu itu.
akan.
Nah,
Iya.
kalau present yang sekarang. Jadi antara dua kalimat itu dia berbarengan ya dalam announcement itu dipakai gitu ya. Jadi tidak bisa terpisahkan mereka di situ. Nah, nanti selanjutnya mungkin akan kalimat pasifnya juga, tapi itu terlalu jauh ya. I haven't explained it about the passive voice ya. This is, but you have to focus what is the types of the sentence tense ya used in announcement text. Jadi you have to remember it ya. Harus ingat, oh announcement itu jenis teksnya ini ya, dia pakai simple present dan simple future. Is there any date and time there? No, ya, no date and time there. Akan ada banyak jenisnya ya, mungkin announcement. Ya. There any question?
2 menit lagi kita ganti pelajaran, Mem.
Oh gitu ya, oh maaf ya. Oke dan kalau begitu. Ya, sekarang I have your LKPD ya. You may write down. You may see in my PPT ya. Here, I want you to, what is it? To mention, to determine about the generic structure, language feature, social function ya. Seperti itu. And then after that, please find another or make your own announcement ya. Bikin kalimat announcementmu sendiri nantinya. After that, you please collect it in my Google Form ya. In our Google Form. Ya, nanti kumpul tugasnya di situ aja. Ya, supaya batasnya nanti mungkin sampai besok ya. Bisa semua kira-kira?
I will try, ma'am.
Iya. Iya,
Oke,
bagus
Ma'am.
sekali. Nah, sekarang kita masuk kepada refleksi ya. Jadi apa yang sudah kalian pelajari tentang materi ini? Yang berkas di
The announcement, ma'am.
Iya, announcement. What is announcement?
Spoken
Yes.
and
Giving
written.
information or
Yes.
Information given to others. The content isinya bisa jadi pengumuman itu ma'am bisa lisan, bisa tulisan.
Yes, excellent. And then are you happy to study this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any difficulty?
Not really.
Ya.
Not really
I
difficult.
think I can.
Maybe
Iya, Mem. Kalau dengerin informasi itu nggak tahu ngomongnya bahasa Inggris cepet banget.
Iya, emang kayak gitu ya. Ya, all information, apalagi yang native speaker-nya kayak orang berkumur ya. Iya. Jadi seperti itu ya. Namanya kalau mau belajar bahasa Inggris ya harus berbanyak kosakata gitu ya. Jadi kosakatanya itu dipermantap dan sering-sering dilatih gitu.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. I think that's all for our meeting today. Before we stop our lesson today, please, I want you to lead the prayer to go home. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, please lead the prayer, and then we stop. Ya. Kita berdoa dengan mengucapkan Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much, and see you.
You're welcome, ma'am. See you,
See you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ya, thank you Bu Lydia ya, Bu Sri Lydia. Oke, ya, Bu Indri, ya please the feedback suggestions ya for Bu Sri Lydia.
Ya, terima kasih Bu Arda. Terima kasih juga buat Bu Sri Lydia. Oke, Bu Sri, bagus sekali ya, semangat ngajarnya. Murid-muridnya juga aktif-aktif, saya lihat ya. Murid-muridnya juga semangat, antusias dalam belajar. Berarti sukses ya. Kalau murid-muridnya aktif itu. Nah, saran saya hanya sedikit saja. Mungkin dari awal karena ini daring dan melalui Google Meet, mungkin dari awal bisa ditampilkan PowerPoint dari tujuan pembelajarannya. Jadi sehingga anak-anak nanti bisa langsung membaca juga. Karena biasanya kalau gurunya ngomong, apalagi kalau kita kan suka tanpa sadar tuh ngomongnya suka cepat gitu ya. Jadi muridnya jadi apa sih tadi mem ngomong nih gitu. Tapi kalau ada PPT-nya mungkin dia bisa langsung baca juga dan mungkin bisa bertanya nanti maksudnya apa nih mem yang nomor 2 misalnya. Saya nggak paham jadi bisa juga anak-anak bertanya dengan kita. Tadi sudah bagus juga waktu menjelaskan materi. Bu Sri Lydia ini meminta murid untuk membaca materinya. Jadi sudah ada keterlibatan murid dari sejak materi diberikan gitu ya. Nah, kemudian tadi untuk yang materinya generic structure and language feature itu memang sebaiknya dipisah misalnya kalau misalnya waktunya tidak memungkinkan untuk generic structure ya dibahas di pertemuan pertama misalnya untuk language feature-nya for the next meeting gitu. Dan perlu